Okay, let's go out here and start this up. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Yeah, we got that there. Okay. Got everything off. Hang on, let me set the mileage. Let's see how many miles are on this. 180,392. Stereo's off. Everything's off. Let me pop the hood. Okay. Do a quick check on the wall. Oil, as you can see, is full. Full and clean. Yeah, you can see it's full and clean. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and start this up. Let's go ahead and start it up and let it run, and I'll show you guys what I'm hearing. Okay, dead cold, as you can see. That's what I'm hearing. Okay. I'm going to come back in a few minutes, and I'm going to pause this and come back in a few minutes when it's up to temperature. Okay. We're kind of up top rating temperature now, as you can see. Everything's still off. Let's go on out here and see what what kind of noise you hear. You can tell, very different. You still hear a little clatter clatter, but not like it was. So, like I said. Okay. And that's that. Kind of goes away. Let's shut it off and restart it. See if we hear any noise. No. Okay.